Here I've got DORO 8035, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and now let's enter the first code, which is *pound, *pound, 759, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in the back menu, where you can find brand code, unique device ID, activation events sent, and many other useful information. You can also check pings, events, and view client ID. Let me go back. And it's time for the second code, which is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here it is. Now we are in diagnostic mode, where you can check events and pings, and if you will click on the more icon, you can activate advanced view once possible. So here you've got way more information right now. So that would be all for this code. Let me go back and let's go to the third code, and this is *pound, *pound, 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And this one is testing menu performed by Google, where you can check phone information, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. So let me pick phone info at first. And here you can come along with MA number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and plenty of other useful information. You can also perform a ping test here. Just click on Run Ping Test, and here you've got the solution. So that would be all for this one. Let me go back. Then under usage statistics, you can come along with the detailed information about your applications, all of them. As you can see, they are all included. And under Wi-Fi information, you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So just pick the preferred option and check the information that you would like to know. And another code is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And this one is a calendar info, so here you will be able to locate all information about celebrations, events, important dates that are saved in your Google Calendar, so you will not forget about any important date from now on. And the last code is a very short one, but mostly useful, so it's *pound, 06 pound. And this one will provide you with your email number, so smoothly by entering this short code, you can read your email number. So that will be all. Now you can go back and use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.